The new Hyundai Tucson takes luxury and modernity to the next level. A highlight of the sensuous sporty design is the distinctive parametric front grille with its hidden DRLs that fan out to the LED headlamps. The sharp angular side profile and iconic double T-tail lamp arrangement at the rear complete the edgy styling. You watch the world notice you from a cool and comfortable interior that has advanced diffused air technology with the multi-air mode and cooled seats. Equally impressive are premium touches like the full touch center console with 10.25-inch infotainment system, a virtual cockpit and connected car tech. You can expand your horizon with the voice-activated panoramic sunroof, and oh, the space! It even offers the first-in-segment passenger seat walk-in to adjust the front passenger seat to liberate even more legroom. Sounds good, right? Just like the premium 8-speaker Bose sound system. And with multiple drivetrain options of diesel, petrol and all-wheel drive, the Tucson just takes the game to not only the next level, but many levels above. The improvements don't stop there. Customer safety in the new Tucson is the crème de la crème. Let us explain. Customer safety is Tucson's utmost priority. How? It comes equipped with level 2 ADAS features. Yes, that's right, 2 is better than 1. And the Tucson is better than the rest as it boasts of driving safety features like forward collision warning, forward collision avoidance assist and many more. Want to see it in action? Here you go. That's outside taken care of. The Tucson gets 6 airbags and bundled up with it are 45 defensive safety features so that you are cocooned in safety. Oh, and do you sense something safe around? That's because the Tucson has got you covered from every angle with its automated sensing technology with a camera and radar sensors that can detect a car, a pedestrian or a cyclist on the road, thereby offering comprehensive protection. Euro NCAP thinks the same. The Tucson is the safest car in segment and it has the stars to back the claim with a 5-star rating. Now that goes well with the premium appeal and makes it the safest SUV in the segment.